So guys, thanks for coming back to my kitchen. Today we are making smothered turkey wings. If you are new here, my name is Sonia. Welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it, comment, and touch up the notification so you could be notified when I upload. So if you like to know how to make this dish, meet me in the kitchen. So like I said, guys, we are making smothered turkey wings today. And I went ahead and I prepped my turkey wings. I washed with lime, vinegar, salt, and season. I went ahead and seasoned my turkey wings and stored it in the refrigerator overnight. So if you want to know what season I use, don't worry about it. I will leave that in the description. So, but I'll just give you a brief what I have here as far as season. So I have my paprika, I have black pepper, all-purpose, some ginger, and all those good things. So like I said, do not worry about it. I will put everything in the description box. So guys, I went ahead, like I said, and I marinate overnight, store it in the refrigerator, just because I want to get a real flavor and I want to maximize the marination. So here we are. This is what it looks like. Turkey wings. I cut it in two pieces. You have the jaw and you have the tail end. So what I'm going to do at this point, I am going to just reintroduce my season by turning it over like this. So you want to just go in. As you can see, my season are all there. My oven is also going. I have it at 350 at this point. And I also have my pan here. I also have two special ingredients that I will be putting in at the very end. That's how I'm gonna get my gravy, guys. So I went ahead and I bought this turkey mix. This I will use to make my gravy, and I also gonna add some coconut milk. So stay tuned to see that process. But at this point, what I'm doing, I'm just turning my turkey wings so that I can distribute my season. All right, guys. And I also have my olive oil here, and I'm just gonna drizzle a little over my turkey wings just to give it some moisture, and it will help with to distribute the season all over. So we're just gonna go in and we're just gonna mix it around. So like I said, guys, the oil help with the moisture, give it some moisture, and allow the season to distribute better. Okay, so this is it, guys. So now we're going to get ready to put it in our baking sheet. So we're just going to go ahead and lay them in our baking sheet. So here we go. So this is wing area on the bottom. I'll just put another piece here, trying to lay them head and tail. I just hope they all fit nicely, so we have to position very well. Let's go ahead and put the end part, and let's put spot here. So guys, we're just laying them like this, and it's okay if they are close together like that. It's fine as long as they fit into our pan. Alright, so we have one more piece, and I'm just gonna try to lay it here and get all my seasoning there. So let's position this piece a little better. Okay, so that's it, guys. So we have it all there. So I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some smoked paprika. So I have the smoked and I have the regular paprika, and this is to give it some color. So we're just gonna go ahead and drizzle some of the smoked paprika, and then we're gonna go ahead and put some more of the regular paprika. It's right here, because we're, oops, sorry about that, guys. So here we go, guys. We want to maximize the flavor with the paprika, and we also want to give it color, nice brown color. Guys, I don't like to see turkey or looking white. I don't like to see it. So let's go ahead and sprinkle a little red cayenne pepper also. We need a little heat up in here. But that's enough, guys. We don't want to overpower with paprika. Just keep it at a minimum. Alright, so here we go. Here we go. So guys, what I like to do is to cover my pan for the first 10 minutes. Reason being, I want it to steam and get some juice there. So when I cover, that's how I'm gonna get my juice through steaming, and it also aid in the cooking process to tenderize the meat, okay? So I'm just gonna cover with my file paper here for the first 10 or so minutes in the oven. All right, then I will remove it. So here we go, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and stick it in the oven on the bottom shelf. So in 10 minutes time, we're gonna check it to see if we achieve the amount of juice we are looking for. Okay, guys, so I see you. So okay, guys, I think I'm gonna put the temperature up to 450 at this point. So guys, 10 minutes later, I'm gonna check on my turkey wings to see how they are doing. So let's check. There. So let's open, guys. Let's take off the file paper to see where we are at this point. Okay, we are getting a little bit of juice there, but we need to go some more. I need a lot more juice to come into this. So it's coming, it's coming. Let's give it another 20 minutes covered. So we're just gonna stick this back into the oven. Not enough juice as yet. We need that juice. Gonna have to cook the meat and build our gravy. All right, so let's just put it back. Give it 20 more minutes. That should be good. Right? So guys, I'm gonna check on my turkey wings now. It's I think it's about 30 minutes, so let's check. There we go. The oven. I like the sound of that, since as if we have a lot of juice here. I can tell. Look at that. Look at that, guys. A whole lot of juice is going on there. I think we achieve our goal. Take a look. See that? A whole lot of juice is going on. So what I'm going to do at this point, I'm going to take my spoon and I'm just going to drizzle. I love to do that and introduce my season. So just taking the spoon and drizzling, reintroducing the season. I think some people call it basting. So guys, this is what we're doing so far. We can also taste it to see where we're at in terms of flavor. That's how you're gonna know if you need to put some more seasoning. What is missing? So taste your food, guys. Go ahead and taste the food. You know what amount of salt you can tolerate, what amount of pepper, and all those good things. So what I'm gonna do, go ahead and taste to see where I'm at in terms of taste. It's pretty good, guys. I like what I'm tasting, but we have some ways to go. You know, turkey is not that easy to cook. You have to give it time, but it's coming. It's doing its thing. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and keep the file paper a little longer. So I'm just going to put it back there for another 10 minutes or 15 minutes. We're going to help with the cooking process. We need to get it real tender, falling off the bone tender. That's what we are looking for. So let's stick it back into the oven. And then we can talk about our gravy. So I see you in 15 minutes. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and check on the turkey. I think it should be okay now. So let's take it out. So let's open. And this is what it looks like so far. See that? Tons of juice is here. And yes, it's getting tender. See that? It's getting all tender. And I'm gonna also go ahead and drizzle. Drizzle once more. You can drizzle as many times as you want. Okay. And guys, the coconut milk is optional. You don't have to use it, but I feel like the coconut milk along with the gravy mix just gonna kick it up a notch and enhance the flavor. Give it a nice taste. So, and also guys, you can use butter. You can put some butter, but I'm not really a fan of butter, so I'm not gonna put any butter here. I feel like the coconut milk gonna do the job, and it's more healthy. So I'm just gonna taste a little piece to see where we are. So I feel like we can take off the we can leave the file paper off at this point. It's good. So we're just gonna leave it here and go ahead and prepare our gravy mix. So let's just focus on that aspect at this point. So what I'm gonna do, at this point, I'm gonna rip my gravy package open and I'm gonna pour it in this small dish. We're going to put the entire package in. Now, next, I'm just gonna shake my coconut. See, that's the Grace coconut milk. So I'm just gonna shake it up like this to get it all mixed together. And then I'm just gonna open with my, punch it with my puncher here. So just go ahead and punch it like this. And then we're just gonna go ahead and pour it in the bowl and mix. See? So you're gonna mix gradually, guys. Just mix it because we want all the lumps to come out. See that? See how thick and rich that is? So we're gonna pour it like that, and this is gonna go in to the pan to mix with the juice that we already achieved while cooking. So it's gonna go together. Let's just put a little more. For now, if we need some more, then I'll go ahead and put it. What I'm gonna do at this point, I'm gonna taste. I like the taste of that. Good combination. So let's put a little more here. Look, guys, see what we got there? So you're just gonna whisk it around like that. Let's see if I can find a whisker. I think this is better to use. Let's try to use this. Just gonna set this over here. I think this might do a better job in terms of mixing. I want to get all the lumpy parts out. So now that this is all mixed up, we're just gonna go ahead and pour it in the pan with our turkey wings. So let's just get you to focus in the pan. So here we go, guys. We're just gonna take this and we're gonna put it to the side. So here we go. We're just gonna pour it to the side, go all around and pour it in. Put some in the middle here, some there. Distribute all over. And then we're gonna allow it to do its thing, and we're gonna taste periodic. Like I said, tasting is part of the process. That's how you're gonna know if the taste is right for you. So let's just do this to mix the turkey juice with the gravy that we just poured. We want it to be even in terms of distribution, in terms of flavor, and all that. So let's just go in and just drizzle. Every piece of turkey wings should have the same amount of flavor and seasoning. No discrimination here, guys. Every piece should get the same amount of flavor. And this is how you get it. Putting it all over like this. So, this is it, guys. I don't know what to tell you. This should be very good in the end. I know that. You can't go wrong with coconut milk. There's no way you can go wrong with coconut milk. I'm just going to go ahead and taste. Yep. I'm going to go ahead and put a little more black pepper. We're dealing with turkey here, guys. We have to put pepper. Let's put pepper there. But I'm going to shake around once more. I'm just gonna go ahead and test the meat. The fork here. See? Yep. Yeah, it's getting there. So guys, what I'm gonna do at this point, I'm gonna put a little more meat seasoning there. Let's put a little more. All purpose. A little more all purpose. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it back into the oven without the file paper. Uncovered. And leave it there to let it catch its color. We want to brown it up. We want that nice golden brown color. So what I'm gonna do while it's doing that, I'm gonna lower the temperature. I'm gonna put it to 350. Because I need my meat to soak properly. I don't want it to brown up and it's not soaked. Your meat needs to be tenderized. So leave it there. We're going to leave it there for what? Let's give it 15 minutes. And then we should be close to where we're supposed to be within 15 minutes. Then we can go ahead. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and check on my wings. They should be done by now, or close to finish. There we go. Just take a look. Take a look. Look at the color that we have here. Look at it. Look at it. Just look at that color. Look at that color. Look at that gravy. Isn't that beautiful? Just take a look at the gravy, guys. Nice and creamy. Wings are all done. Flavors are screaming. Look at it, guys. Take a look. Take a look. Just take a look at the gravy. Look at the consistency. Okay, see? Falling off the bone. Falling off the bone. See that, guys? So I'm just gonna go ahead and taste this piece. Guys, you can't get it better than this. No way. I'm just gonna stick it back for 5 more minutes and we are done. So guys, I just removed my turkey from the oven and this is what we have, guys. Look at it. Look at this. Look at the color. Look at it. Nice and brown. That paprika. Oh man, that paprika. That paprika really showed up. Look at the color. Look at the nice brownish red color that we got from that paprika. You cannot ask for more. Look at it. Look at those wings. Well done. Good to the bone, I can guarantee you. No question about it. Look at the gravy. Look at the consistency. So what I'm gonna do at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and plate. So yes guys, we did it. We really did. We outdid ourselves this time. So let's plate. So I'm just gonna get my spoon here and we're just gonna lay them here. Let's get some of the drumlets and let's get some of the end. I don't know what to call this part. I just pretty much call it the tip here. So this is it, guys. Smothered turkey wings. Nice and brown and delicious. So what we are doing at this point, guys, we are plating. Let's put another wing here. Let's put this under here. There you go, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and put every piece out. Guys, just gotta go ahead. Let's stick this piece out here. There you have it, guys. Smothered turkey wings. And I'm just gonna go ahead and let's position this a little better. There you go, guys. Yep. So now let's put our gravy. Look at the gravy, guys. Look at the gravy. Look at it. Look at it. is all those juices from the turkey mixed with our seasoned mix and our coconut milk. I tell you, the taste is out of this world. So this is what we're doing, guys. Look at it. We're just drizzling our gravy. Look at this. Look at this. Could you ask for any better here? Huh? Could you? Could you? Come on, let's be honest here. Let's be honest, guys. You can eat this with your rice, your mac and cheese, your collard greens. Eat it with whatever you like. There's no rule to say that you should eat it with this. You can eat it just like this, with nothing. Whichever way you want to go with this, guys, it's up to you. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. If you like this video, subscribe, please. It's very important to me. I'm trying to grow my channel. Like it, share it with your friends, comment, touch up the notification so you could be notified when I'm loading another video. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Just look how beautiful that is. Look at the color. Look at it. So here you sleep.